Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to write a for loop in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, in coding, for loops are very common and maybe you're not sure how to code a for loop in Mathematica, so I'll be showing you how to code a for loop in Mathematica today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to zoom into the code a bit so it's easier to see. And this is fairly simple. You're just going to type 4 and then have your square brackets. And inside there, we're going to give the range of our loop. So it's going to start from I equals 0 until where you want it to stop. So if it's 4, that means it will only go up to I equals 3. Then what we're going to do is we're going to say I plus plus, and you're going to then print what you want, or run what you want, or assign what you want. So I'm just going to print I. As you can see, it prints I from 0 to 3, and if we go I plus 1, it will print that as well, of course. There we have it. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to write a for loop in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.